Hi, and today Alex is here for cheese.
Yeah.
And I thought of just showing you my mother. Mom, come here! You can see this is Ina's mom. Thinks I'm embarrassed. Mom! Mother! Mom, come here! Why? He's afraid. Oh my God. Nothing, doesn't matter. It's all something. Yeah, that's my mom. And that's my grandma.
Who is it? You put them on YouTube. Don't put them on YouTube.
Yes, that's my grandma.